What's going on? Welcome to another market strip down session. So we can see last week's analysis didn't go exactly to the point of entry, which I'm quite shocked, to be honest with you. But the rest of it, if you were brave enough to take sells, would have brought you to the point where last week's market strip down showed you a break of this structure, come back up, use it as resistance, which we did here, and then continue downwards. And in total, it would have been good for about 684 pips. So it would have been a good week. But let's clear everything off, see what's going on. The monthly has now flipped bearish. Weekly, super strong bearish candle. That's a nice area that we can watch for. Fine tune it. I like that. I mean, overall, my bias is going to be bearish for this upcoming week, obviously. And really only two areas that I'm going to be looking for price to pull back to. Boom. And then for areas of take profit, I mean, we have to keep that into consideration, but next up after that would be there. And then I would go off of that one as well. So yeah, I mean, we're looking for two different setups here. We have setup A, and it could bounce from either any of these. We could see it bounce from there. We could see it bounce from here. Oh. Or from here. And option 2 would be somewhere, and it could also come in between these two areas. But I mean, those are realistically the two areas I'm going to be looking for a pullback to. I mean, buys. Buys, it would have to do, let me just change the color. My goodness. For buys, we would have to see something like this, and then if it does go bullish, we would probably 90% retrace back up to these highs from over here. So I mean, those are really the only three options. Either slight bullish move to start the week Monday, and then push down, and again we could have a bounce off of any of these three levels, or we could break these levels and then use each of them as resistance. We break below, use it as resistance, break below, use it as resistance, break below, use it as resistance, like we did here. Or same thing, it just pushes up a little higher, or in between these two areas, in between the 28.74 and 28.59, 28.60, at about 140, 150 pip range, could happen anywhere in between those two that it starts to push down, or we break above 28.59, 28.60 we call it. Then we come back down, use it as support, and then push back up past last week's highs to the week before. Oh, those are the only two possibilities I see for this upcoming week. I hope it gives you some insight and clarity. God bless you. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.